Hey guys, this is the next video in this series. This is my only wall outlet toilet that I've ever made. So this should be pretty interesting. If I remember correctly, this thing doesn't siphon at all, so this might be another short video. I don't know if that siphoned or if the water just kind of went down. I think the water level might just be really low. Yeah. This is the end of the video, I think. This wasn't anything special. I don't think it really even has a water line in there. I think the water just kind of comes out. So, yeah, well, that was this video. Make sure you watch the next one. I will see you guys in the next video.